रात और स्क्रीन की रोशनी, सिंटैक्स की उलझन, प्रांशु का ज्ञान, एक एक लॉजिक आराम से समझाना। हाँ, मैं हूँ तुम्हारा गाइड यहाँ। ये डिजिटल सफर अकेले नहीं, लेट्स डिबग इट टुगेदर माय फ्रेंड। ये डिजिटल सफर अकेले नहीं, अकेले नहीं।
Operators in this episode for Tech with Pranshu. Welcome back to the Complete C Programming series. In the previous episode, we covered variables, data types, printf, scanf, and user input. Now that we know how to store data, it's time to perform operations on that data, and that's exactly what operators are for. Previously in the series episode 122 Introduction to C, setting up the environment, and writing your first program episode 3 variables, data types, printf, scanf, format specifiers, and user input episode 4. Today operators in C, performing calculations, comparisons, and logical conditions on stored data. What is an operator? Definition: an operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform a specific operation on one or more values. Quick example is a plus b, addition b, subtraction asterisk b, multiplication b. Division operators are the symbols we use to perform different operations in our programs. They are one of the most fundamental building blocks of any C program. Types of operators in arithmetic: percent assignment, equals, plus, equals, equals, asterisk, equals, equals, relational, greater than, equals, 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 logical, and end, increment, decrement, plus, plus. We will focus on these most commonly used operators today. Bitwise and other advanced operators will be covered in a later episode. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. C provides 5 basic arithmetic operators: addition plus adds to values, together. Subtraction subtracts one value from another, multiplication asterisk multiplies to values, division divides one value by another, modulus percent returns the remainder after division. Addition and subtraction: addition plus and a equals 10, b equals 20, int result equals a plus b. Result equals 30. You can also take values from the user with scanf and print the sum directly using printf. Sum equals percent d, a plus b. Subtraction: int a equals 20, b equals 10, int result equals a, b. Result equals 10. Subtraction is straightforward. Use printf difference equals percent d, a, b to display the result. Multiplication: a equals 10, b equals 5, int result equals asterisk b. Result equals 50. In C, we do not use the times symbol from mathematics. We use the asterisk asterisk for multiplication. Always remember, asterisk means multiplication. Division and integer truncation symbol is used for division. However, there is a critical concept to understand. Integer division and result equals 5 halves. Result equals to not to 0.5 when both operands are integers. The decimal portion is removed. Float division: float result equals 5.0 to 0.0. Result equals to 0.5. Use float values to get a decimal result. This is one of the most common sources of bugs for beginners. Always check your data types when dividing. The modulus operator percent: the modulus operator gives the remainder after division. One of the most useful operators in programming. Example: 110% 3 equals 110. Divided by 3 equals 3 remainder 1. Example: 217% 5 equals 217. Divided by 5 equals 3 remainder 2. Even or odd number: percent 2 equals 0 if true gives even, otherwise gives odd. We'll use this frequently with conditions. The assignment operator equals: the assignment operator equals is used to store a value inside a variable. Int age equals 18. Assign a declaration int number. Number equals 50. A sign ladder important. The single equals sign means assignment. Store this value here. It does not mean equal to. In the mathematical sense. Compound assignment operators provides shortcut operators that combine arithmetic with assignment, making code shorter and easier to write. A plus equals 5 same as a equals a plus 5a equals 5 same as a equals a. 5a asterisk equals 5 same as a equals asterisk 5a equals 5 same as a equals a. 5 relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values. They are essential for decision-making in programs. Operator meaning true than 10 greater than 5. True less than 10 less than 5. False equals greater than or equal to 5 greater than equals 5. True less than equals less than or equal to 3 less than equals 4. True equals equal to 5 equals 5. True equals not equal to 5 equals 3. True equals versus equals. A critical differential equals assignmentage equals 18. Stores the value 18 inside the variable age. This is the assignment operator. Double equals comparisonage equals 18 asks, is age equal to 18? This is the equality check operator used in conditions. Confusing equals and equals is one of the most common beginner mistakes in C1. Equals sign equals assignment. 2 equals signs equals comparison. Always remember this. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. There are 3 main logical operators in C, and logical, and both conditions must be true. Logical, or at least one condition must be true. Logical not reverses the condition. True becomes false. False becomes true. Logical and with an and. Both conditions must be true for the overall expression to be true. Age greater than equals 18 and an age less than equals 60. The age must be as greater than or equal to 18 and is less than or equal to 60. Both requirements must be satisfied simultaneously. Real-life analogy. You can enter if you have a ticket and an ID. Both are required. Logical OR and not logical OR marks equals 40. Special underscore permission equals 1. At least one condition must be true. Like, you can pay with cash or card. Logical not. Age greater than equals 18 reverses the condition. If age greater than equals 18 is true, the not makes it false, and vice versa. Increment and decrement operators. Increment plus int number equals 10. Number plus number equals 11 increases the value by 1. Equivalent to number equals number plus 1. Decrement int number equals 10. Number equals 9 decreases the value by 1. Equivalent to number equals number minus 1. These operators are extremely common in C, especially when working with loops. We will use them extensively in future episodes. Simple calculator program. Let's put everything together with a practical example. Hash includes do, h int main int a, b, printf enter first number, scanf%d, and a, printf enter second number, scanf%d, and b, printf addition equals %dn, a plus b, printf subtraction equals %dn, a, b, printf multiplication equals %dn, asterisk b, printf division equals %dn, a, b, printf remainder equals %dn, a %b, return 0. This program takes two integers from the user and demonstrates all 5 arithmetic operators in action. Operator precedence. When an expression contains multiple operators, C follows operator precedence rules to determine evaluation order. Without parentheses, int result equals 10 5 asterisk 2. 5 asterisk 2 equals 10 first. 10 plus 10 equals 20 per result equals 20. Multiplication happens before addition. With parentheses, int result equals 10 plus 5 asterisk 2. 10 plus 5 equals 15 first. 15 asterisk 2 equals 30. Result equals 30 parentheses override default precedency rule, asterisk, and percent are evaluated before plus and. Use parentheses to control the order explicitly. Operator precedence, visual order addition, subtraction lowest precedence, combine last multiply, divide, medieval weight before addition, and subtraction partious precedence. Used to clarify. Always use parentheses when in doubt. They make your code clearer and prevent subtle bugs caused by unexpected evaluation order. Practice programs. Know it's time to practice. Try writing these programs yourself. Calculator. Take two numbers from the user and display addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. Even or odd. Take a number and check whether it is even or odd using the modulus. Operator. Age comparison. Take a person's age and compare it with 18 using relational operators. Don't just copy the code, write it yourself. Make mistakes. Fix those mistakes. That's how you actually learn programming. Quick recap. Arithmetic and assignment tuition Division percent modulus ascendant equals assign plus equals add, and assign equals subtract, and assign asterisk equals multiply, and assign equals divide, and assign quick recap. Relational and logic. How relational greater than equals less than equals equal to equals not equal to logical and both true or one true. NOT reverse increment. Decrement plus increase by 1, decrease by 1. Full episode summary. Arithmetic percent for numeric calculations. Ascendant equals and plus equals asterisk equals for storing values. Relational less than equals for comparisons. Logical and inc dec and plus for control. These operators form the foundation of all computation in C. Mastering them now will make decision-making and loops in upcoming episodes much easier to understand. Key concepts to remember: equals, vis equals single equals assigns, double equals compares. Never mix them up. Integer division 5 halves equals 2, not 2.5. Use float for decimal results. Modulus for even. Odd number percent to equals 0 means even, a pattern you'll use constantly. Parentheses control order used to override default operator precedence and clarify intent. What's coming next? Episode 5, Decision Making in CNOW. That you know operators. We'll use them to make programs that take decisions. In the next episode, we'll cover if statements, if else conditions, else if ladders, nested conditions. Make sure you practice today's programs before moving on. Why operators matter. Operators may look simple, but they are going to become extremely important when we start writing decision-making programs. And loops. Every condition you write in an if statement, every loop counter, every comparison, all of it relies on the operators you learned today.